Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change default system font in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just go here on the search bar and then search for settings. After searching that, just click open and then go here on the personalization. And then on this part, just scroll down until you see fonts. So click on fonts right there. And then in this part, just look for the font that you want. But if you want to use a custom font, all you have to do is to go here and click browse and install fonts. And then after that, just go here on the downloads and then look for the font that you have previously downloaded. After that, just click on choose fonts and then you should now be able to see it right here. Now in this part, just look for the font that you want to use. So let's say for example that we want to use this font right here, which is the Arial font. So just click on that. And then what we're going to do is to just remember the name, which is the Arial. So if you have a complicated name, just go here on the notepad and then change this to Arial. And then after that, once you are now here, open Registry Editor and then run it as administrator. After that, in this part, what we're going to do is to open this file. So all you have to do is to go to HK local machine and then click the drop down button and then look for software. So once you find software, just open it. And then inside the software, just look for the Microsoft folder. And then inside the Microsoft folder, look for the Windows NT folder and then the current version. After that, once you're now here, just look for the fonts substitute. So click on this one right here. And then in this part, we're going to right click on the blank space. And then we're going to click on new and then click string value. After that, we're going to type SOGUEUI. And then after that, click on enter. Once you do that, just double click on the file that we have just created. And then for the value data, we're just going to type the font that we want to use. In this case, Arial. So once you do that, just click on OK. And then once you do that, close your registry editor and then restart your PC. Once you do that, your font should now be changed. So that is basically it.